Hi, so in this video we are going to explore the stabilization of Pocket 2. I feel it's worth. It gives you a better footages than mobile phone. Also, I can easily rotate into any direction and it's quite easily capturing everything. Let's see some good footages where I have understood how it works.
So here is I have tried some running footages and it's working smoothly where I'm just rotating and into any directions, but it's working perfectly fine. Also I tried some another experiments while moving, shaking and waving. Also on swing I just took some ground shots and some sky shots, but it's smoothly working fine. I feel this tiny gimbal is really worth, at least for this feature, where you can easily capture the things which are already fast and moving. As you can see the different footages of the garden I have taken. Here I have tried capturing one trees and leaves into shaky form, but absolutely it gave me an amazing result. You can see the footage where the shot is not even blur and it's capturing everything. Some running and walking on the grass, and this gives you an amazing look. Also I tried some footage of my hands moving into any random directions, but it's absolutely capturing pretty well. As compared to mobile, I feel it's worth of having such a good stabilization. So I'm going to try some more adventure on this.
Again, I am so worried about after using some this tricky shots for the stabilization check. I was insecure about the gimbal. It gave some error saying that your gimbal position or a limit is reached, or then after that I have to do calibration, but again it's working fine. I hope this video was useful for you. Honestly, I feel this is the amazing feature and I should explore more, so stay connected and watch.
To know more about zoom in and zoom out in Osmo Pocket 2, watch out the video. Thanks for watching.